Hello, my name is the Amiga CD32, and I am complete utter failure who should be thrown from the top of the Sony headquarters in Japan and into a pool full of acid. Then I should get run over by a truck. I am a really bad video game console and the last thing Commodore International has made before they went out of business. I have a poor library of games which includes Beavers, Gloom, Dangerous Streets and many others that I cannot be arsed to name. Not only that, but my controllers are confusing and I wouldn't make the game disc spin unless there was something holding my disc catch down. This is why I fail. I also like to make sex with inanimate objects. They include these: Nintendo Wii's, lamps, telephones, computers, balloons, sports cars, a portrait of your mom, pencils, pencil shavings, dust mites, calendars, calculators, teddy bears, wigwams, televisions, pianos, carpets, couches, pillows, trucks, fire trucks, Raunakania 185's apartment building. Every single episode in Leon the Snow Wolf's Darkness Rise series, Marvel vs. Capcom 3 music, Shoe soles, exercise books, bamboo, rocks, Mount Everest, black holes, Japan, China, Australia, the distance between New South Wales and Hamilton Island, JB Eagles U. Tube channel Captain America's shield, all of Iron Man's suits, and the Infinity Stones. And when I make sex with those things it sounds like this. Fa. Swa 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 swa. And that's all. 'Cause I cannot make a sexy time, let alone an orgasm. But what did you think, Mr. Sega Saturn?
You are dumped.
It dumped me. I hate you, Mr. Sega Saturn. Now I'm off to commit suicide by jumping off a cliff. But wait, who the hell are you?
Hello, Amiga CD32. My name is Rakuo the Merman, and you are a disgrace to Commodore and the video game industry, so now I'm here to speed rape you. Bend over.
Well, screw you, 'cause I'm not bending. So go away, you bisexual horseface.
You won't call me bisexual horseface again because now I'm going to speed rape you.
Neutral. I hate you, Ricklo. But I'm not dead yet.
But you will be right after this. Say hello to my little friend here.
Hello, my name is Victor, an Amiga CD32. I'm here to beat the filling out of you.
No. Please don't do this. I beg of you.
Well, sorry, you disgrace to Commodore. Prepare to die.
Now, that hurt. I hate you, Victor. But I'm not dead yet. I'm still alive.
Alright, that's it. Amiga CD32. My name is Sasquatch, and I am a fan of Commodore, and you were the thing that caused them to go bankrupt. Because of this, I'm going to beat you too, and I don't care on what you have to say, so die.
Nice try, Sasquatch, but I'm still not.
Hello, Amiga CD32. My name is Atman, and I'm here to a speed review right now, and you can't say no, so let's go. You sorry excuse of the console. Man, that was really slow.
Neutral. I am not dead. I hate you, Batman.
Now that the Amiga CD32 received new beatings and new speed ratings, the video game industry is now a little bit safer. But with more sorry excuses for video game consoles come lurking, just leave them to us, Rakuo, Victor, Sasquatch, and me, Batman. Bye-bye. For now, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Rona KMU185 or else Thanos will snap you out of existence.